Guys, this is Gaga here back with another video. So recently I have shopped some cosmetics from MAC Cosmetics. So I have posted a video earlier. This is kind of a continuation of that video. So in this video I'm going to use all that MAC products on my face and I'm going to show you how this works. And especially, people always wanted to know how this Studio Fix powder foundation works, right? And exactly, I'm going to show that. I'm going to show you how to use that powder foundation, from MAC Cosmetics and other products in this video. So let's get into the video. So already I've prepped my skin. I've used moisturizer. Now I'm going to use their this one. This is MAC Prep Plus Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. So basically, I got this as a free thing. Okay, it's like a this is the shade Radiant Pink. So this is how it looks. Looks like a lotion. It's not sticky. It's very watery, lightweight. How you guys feel? I'll let you know. I'm feeling this feels so lightweight, okay, not sticky at all, and it has given nice, smooth, base. That's what I feel. So yeah, most liked product of mine, that is this MAC Cosmetics, strobe cream. I've been eyeing on the strobe cream for so long, and I've got it in the mini version. Okay, so this is in the shade Pink Light, and this is how it looks. This mini version, Pink Light. So basically, you can, this is like a liquid highlighter, so you can put it on your high points to give that glossy, hydrated look. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm using this for the first time. I have tried other liquid highlighters from other brand. This is first time. Okay, let's see how this is. I used to see a lot of actors use this. Many beauty influencers like this product, so that's the reason I bought it. Now let's get to that main part. This is MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. So I'm in the shade NC25. So usually they have the sponge, right? I do not like the sponge because the sponge takes out a lot of product and get deposited inside. So it's kind of waste. Okay, this comes handy when you're traveling, when you have to touch up and all. You can use this. But basically, I love to use brush. So I'll show you what kind of a brush I like. Okay, I like this kind of round brush. I got this from Shein. So I take my powder. And this comes with a glass now. I don't do this. I just do this. Push. So on a day-to-day basis, you can use this. Okay, you don't need concealer as much. If you are worried about your dark circle bothers you, you can use it. Otherwise, you can directly use this. Okay. One side I use a brush and show. The other side I've used a sponge that has come along with this. Let me know what you like. Can you just see a lot of things get deposited in the sponge? I feel bad about it. This side is sponge, okay? This side I've used a brush. This side looks better. Let me know. According to me, this side looks flawless, okay? This side is a little bit Okay, okay. That's what I feel. Let me know, okay? So yeah. So this came in this kind of small pouch. This is Studio Fix Prep and Prime, water. This fixing spray. So this came as a sample. Let's try this now. Smells good. So off the screen, I've done other makeup. Okay, so far it's good that fixing spray is also nice. So let me finish it off with my favorite, MAC highlighter. This is soft and gentle. I didn't purchase it recently. It's a long time purchase. Still there, fully it's there. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my high point. Okay. Finally, the last purchase from MAC. This is their most sold lipstick next to Ruby. This is Meher. First time I'm going to use it. I've got the mini version because it's best to buy mini version because we have a lot of lipsticks, right? It's very hard to finish it. So mini is best. Travel friendly also. Let me try the shade. Nice. It's a nice pink. So that's it, guys. I've used the MAC Cosmetics products that I've purchased recently. This is a final look. This is a very subtle, natural makeup look, and this stays for long also. So best products to invest in MAC Cosmetics. And I have my opinion. I have used this, right, the base, the primer, MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base. You know, I think this is not that great. Okay, there are many other primer. I love it. According to me, this is not that must buy product from MAC. And again, strobe cream. I always wanted to buy a strobe cream, but the truth hits hard because I have my most favorite product, like a liquid highlighter, that is from L'Oreal. So this is L'Oreal Lumi True Match, okay? Liquid Glow Illuminator. This is the best when compared to this. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but all right. So otherwise, I love the nose fixing spray. I love this Meher shade, and my all-time favorite, that is Studio Fix Flex Foundation. This is a very good investment. You can just buy it without any doubt. If you're a person who do not like that heavy foundation, you have to have this in your collection. So you know what? I'm not very happy with this artificial light and this camera setup. I will take you guys to the natural light so that you can see my look once again. Yeah. So,